Okay, I only got 16 minutes to record, so make it worth recording. Here we go. Bobby Marino's first barbecue. Robert Cruz's first barbecue. And there goes Grandma holding Arthur. Grandma's holding Arthur.
Daddy's gonna get burned by the barbecue.
Yes, Daddy's gonna get burned by the barbecue. There goes Aunt Mindy. Look at that's all her beers right there. She's getting all frizzled.
Kiss, and I'll give it to
And there goes Uncle Manny.
Kiss.
And then Malia Tortilla.
Kiss.
And then Manny Bobani. And then Leo.
Kiss, and I'll give it to you.
Uncle Manny's trying to give Leo a kiss. I don't know what this is all about.
There you go.
Hey, he don't give kisses. He shakes hands and punches in the face. That's all he does.
Oh,
Yeah. No, you know.
Huh? Something.
Leo.
What did you tell Leo?
Hey, Leo.
Hey. I went up there because he was going to do something. I went, hey, and he goes like this.
And there's Grandma and Arthur.
Where's Leo? Leo, can I have a kiss? Come here, bad boy.
Oh, hey.
Ricky.
Shit, they're playing the jazz over here.
Bring a bottle, man?
Yeah.
You gotta turn it up, babe. I get all my naughty. You gotta turn it up.
Don't throw rocks, Manny. Malia, why are you letting him throw rocks at me?
I had the towel.
What? No one's got to put it right there.
Look, baby boy, look. Over here.
You got this here. Hey.
Okay. Slow down there, little man. He's like, wow.
Better not be.
Manny ran to the screen door. Grandma just did that about a couple minutes ago.
I did that.
I wish I would have got that on tape. That would have been some funny
And
shit.
your mom. What?
You can't talk to me like that, man.